gentlemen, welcome to this beautiful evening we all have been gathered here for. Well, this is Neha R. Gupta. I'll be the host for today. And we are here on the spirit of gifting with something extremely picky, something extremely choosy. Ladies and gentlemen, I extend a very warm and a hearty welcome to each one of you to ET Excellence Awards for the year 2024. Can we start this evening by putting our hands together and getting some great energies to this room? So the most awaited moment is about to take place. We have somebody really special with us. Well, he's an actor, producer, fitness enthusiast, and apart from that, he's also a very successful businessman. When we talk about somebody who's fittest in the industry, we have to have this name coming in our minds. Ladies and gentlemen, a gentleman, an actor who needs absolutely no introduction. People, please put your hands together as I welcome on stage the superstar, the legendary actor, Sunil Shetty. Thank you very much, sir, for doing the honors. Well, welcome back to Hyderabad, sir. You know, tonight we have the entrepreneurs, we have the business leaders with us, and we all know you're also one of a very fabulous, fantastic, successful businessmen. So any tips to success?
Yeah, first of all, I strongly don't believe, and I honestly don't believe that I'm half as good as you are. Yeah, probably right place, right time, met the right team, met the right people. And in today's world, for an actor, it's so much easier to be able to do something because there's so many new startups that are working, and boys who are and youngsters who are so very good. All you have to do, as far as I'm concerned, is make sure that I back the right one, believe in the right one, and they do the rest for you. Being an actor, the limelight is on you, so people believe you're successful, but it's actually the team that works.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, well, the first category we are talking about is excellence in residential interior design. Goes to everyone, put your hands together for Simplify Homes. And we request Jairag Jagdishji, founder and principal designer, and Tejaswi Gangi Shetty, co-founder, to kindly come and join us on stage. Moving on to the next category, we are talking about the most innovative packaging company of the year. Pharma goes to Pravesha Industries Private Limited. Can we have Mr. Sunil Kumar Cole, Associate President, to be here on stage? Big congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together. And with this, we are moving on to the next category. We are talking about the emerging leader of the year in jewelry. Please welcome Mr. Avinash Gupta, Managing Partner, Mamraj Musadilal Jewelers. Moving on to the next very picky category, we are talking about the excellence in luxury residential apartment. Goes to Ramki One Odyssey. Please welcome our very own Mr. Sharad Babu, Vice President Sales and Marketing, and K. Imran Khan, AGM Marketing. All right, with this, we are moving on to our next award of this evening, presenting the Business Leader of the Year, Hospitality. Please welcome Mr. Ruben Cherian, General Manager, Hyderabad International Convention Center. A big congratulations, sir, and to the whole team of HICC. Ladies Ladies and gentlemen, the next award is in the category of excellence in empowering leadership. Please welcome on stage Sarvesh Singh, Managing Director, Marichi Ventures Private Limited. A big congratulations, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, it's for excellence in wood finish on metals. Goes to Satya Wood Codes. A big round of applause as I welcome on stage Nane Durga Prasad, the Managing Director. We are moving on to our next category of this evening. Excellence in manufacturing eco-friendly materials, UPVC windows and doors. Please congratulate TNR Views. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Vikram Kumar, Executive Director. Congratulations, sir. We are moving to our next category. Excellence in fully integrated manufacturing of medical devices goes to Relisys Medical Devices Limited. Please welcome Mr. Naveen Rajpal, CEO and Director, and Ravi Kumar Patnaik, Head of Marketing. Congratulations, sir. Moving on to our next category, that is Business Leader in Retail Fashion Industry. Please welcome on stage our winners, Kala Mandir Kalyan, Whole-Time Director, Sai Silks Kala Mandir Limited. Hearty congratulations, sir. We are moving on to our next award. It is the excellent choice for mice, and that goes to Without Any Doubt. Ladies and gentlemen, let's congratulate Hyderabad International Convention Center. I request Ruben sir to kindly come and join us on stage, requesting Mr. Ruben Cherin, General Manager, Navotul Hyderabad Convention Center and HICC, and Mr. Madhusudan Rao, Chief Financial Officer and Head of Business Operations. We are moving on to our next category, ladies and gentlemen. Excellence in manufacturing of decorative paints goes to Nexon Paints Private Limited. Let's call upon stage Praveen Chaudhary, Director Sales and Marketing, and Bhaskar Jyoti Kakati, AGM Marketing. We are moving on to the next category. Excellence in product innovation, NT counterfeiting goes to Holography by Pravesha Industries Private Limited. Let's call upon stage Mr. Bharpur Singh, DGM Business Development. Now let's call upon stage the Young Industrialist of the Year. Manufacturing of steel doors goes to Mr. Zohaib Khan, Founder and Managing Director, Kosavi Industries Private Limited. Moving on to our next award and our next category. We are talking about excellence in delivering high quality constructions. Please welcome Ramki Estates and Farms. Congratulating Shri N.S. Rao, Ramki Group CFO, Mr. Neeraj Kapoor, Marketing Head. Congratulations, sir. Moving on to our next category, ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about the fastest emerging company at pharma packaging. Please congratulate the East Pharma Technologies. Let's have here on stage Peruri Raja, Plant Manager, Operations, and N. Doraswamy Reddy, General Manager. With this, we are moving on to our next category, Excellence in Manufacturing Premium Kitchens and Wardrobes. Goes to Dassault's Cabinets by Mahi, requesting Niharika Kashyap, the director, to kindly come and join us on stage. Excellence in Packers and Movers. Let's get ready to congratulate none other than our very own Agarwal Packers and Movers, also known as Bade Bhaiya, DRS Group. A big, hearty congratulations, everyone. Requesting the chairman, Dayanand Agarwal ji, director, A.K. Agarwal ji and S.K. Agarwal ji, to kindly come and join us on stage. When we talk about the Packers and Movers, I must say stands at first position in Hyderabad indeed. We have Agarwals. Moving on to our next category, Excellence in Space and Defense Equipment Manufacturing, goes to SEC Industries Private Limited. Please welcome on stage Ashwath, Head Business Development. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for this young chap getting an award for SEC Industries Private Limited Equipment Manufacturing when we talk about the excellence in space and defense. Hearty congratulations, Ashwath. Keep up the good work. Thank you. Excellence in Wedding Decor goes to Swastik Decor and Events. Please welcome Mr. Anil Lakhotia, co-founder and chairperson. Moving on to the next category, the excellence in IT and non-IT staffing goes to Coribal Corporate Services Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Chaitanya Bedapudi, Managing Director. Congratulations, sir. Excellence in ITES, Information Technology Enabled Services, goes to Finac Plus Global Services Private Limited. Please congratulate Mr. Prabhakar Rao Kodapati, CEO, and Shravan Kumar P, CFO. And here they get it for Excellence in ITES. We're moving to our next category, Excellence in Property and Facility Management. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Prop Square Life Spaces Management Private Limited. Welcoming Mr. Vijay, General Manager, Pashuram, Operation Manager. The next category, talking about the most innovative bootstrap company, goes to Gig Jobs, an initiative of career drivers, hiring specialists for GCCs. Please welcome Mr. Rajendra Chinoswala, founder and team on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready. We are presenting the excellence in manufacturing of transformers and power panels. Let's get together for VVE Transformers Private Limited. Let's congratulate Mr. Vinod Kumar Illa, Managing Director, Kiranmay, Director, on stage. Behind the transformers and power panels and being the excellence in manufacturing of these two. And now it is the time to move on to the next award for excellence in labels and packaging printing. Ladies and gentlemen, let's congratulate Zodiac Reprographics Private Limited. Can we have Colonel N.D. Singh, Chairman, Jaideep Singh, Managing Director, Ajaydeep Singh, Managing Director. this, everybody, moving on to our next category, excellence in travel and hospitality. Let's get together for Go Gaga Holidays Private Limited. Please welcome Mr. Bharat Reddy, founder cum CEO, Deepak Reddy, the managing director. We are moving on to our next category for excellence in affordable luxury residential apartments. Goes to Rubric Constructions Private Limited. Let's call upon stage Mr. Krishna Rao Deshraju, Managing Director. Excellence in manufacturing of diesel generators. Please welcome Genesis Power Onyx India Private Limited. Let's request Mr. Shivakoti Venkatachari, Chairman, Shivakoti Madhavi, Director, and Shivakoti Siddhartha, CEO. Moving on to our next category, talking about excellence in manufacturing luxury sofas, goes to Avance Seatings. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome K. Bhavna, COO, and A. Lavan Kumar, CEO. The winner in the category of excellence in wedding photography. Please welcome on stage Snappers Photography. I request Saroja Guduri, partner and co-founder, to kindly come and join us on stage. Moving on to our next category, excellence in manufacturing Indo-Italian home elevators. Please welcome on stage Ricardo Elevators Private Limited, Neeraj Hemnani, CEO, Sagar Kalipalli, co-founder and CFO, Avinash, COO, Arun Deb, CMO, and Sima Arora, Director Operations. Well, with your permission, we are moving on to our next category. Excellence in design build contractors goes to Quality Insulators. Let's call upon stage B. Chaitanya, Business Development Manager, A. Prakash, Sales Manager. Excellence in detailing and PPF services goes to Car Affair. Let's have Mr. Anudeep on stage, the director, writer, onto the forum side. And on that note, thank you so very much, sir, for being here with us and gracing this occasion with your presence. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Everyone, please give it up for Mr. Sunil Shetty. I'd like to thank each one of you for being here with us and making this event a supreme grand success.
టైమ్స్ వాళ్ళకు కూడా అప్రిషియేట్ చేయాలి, ఇలాంటి ఈవెంట్స్ చేసి మాలాంటి ఆంటర్ప్రినర్స్ని రికగ్నైజ్ చేసి ఇలా అవార్డ్స్ ఇవ్వడం కూడా చాలా ఉంది. 4th టైం తీసుకోవడం చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. మా కస్టమర్స్ అండ్ మా వెల్ విషర్స్కే ఈ అవార్డు నేను డెడికేట్ చేస్తున్నాను. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ వాళ్ళతోనే నేను ఈ అవార్డు తీసుకున్నాను. సో టోటల్ థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Consistencyగా this is 5th or 6th year we are receiving this award. We have to we stand by the promise that price quality range. What is mean is price quality range is we believe in that. So customers are also receiving the same, and thank you once again for the ET Times ET Excellence Awards for choosing us.
We've just started a year ago or so. So we're into manufacturing of cabinets, wardrobes, TV units. So with ASOS, and I'm very thankful to Times of India and ET Excellence Telangana for giving us this award. Very excited, very happy, and this is like power to do more work, put in more hard work, and do more work.
We are honored actually, and keeping this award, it will give us a little more efforts to work as a company and giving my whole team a full support on this. And it will be very pleasure to have this award. We are always honored with such kind of awards and giving us some more support to move further.
My company, Mamraj Musaddilal Jewelers, has been a 100-year-old company, and we were doing some excellent work in Victorian jewelry and all, and we specialize in temple jewelry. So we got this, and we are really proud to get that emerging leader of the Gem and Jewelry Award.
నా పేరు దుర్గా ప్రసాద్, సత్య వుడ్ కోట్స్ హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి. ఇది మెటల్ ఫినిషింగ్ అనమాట. మెటల్ మీద వుడ్ ఫినిషింగ్ అవుతుంది. ఇది ఎలివేషన్స్లోను విండోస్కి ఇటుకి ఎక్కువ యూజ్ చేస్తారు. ఇది 20 years వారంటీ ఉంటుంది ఈ పెయింటింగ్కి. కస్టమర్స్ ఫుల్ హ్యాపీ. అంటే మా యూనిట్ ఒక్కటే ఉంది హైదరాబాద్లో. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి బెంగళూరులో ఉండే, హైదరాబాద్లో మేము అక్కడమే లీడింగ్ అనమాట.
I mean, I'd like to thank my entire team for this. I'd like to thank ET for bestowing this wonderful award and having this great event. Received this award from Sunil Shetty, so I mean, it couldn't be better than that. So thank you so much, and have a wish you.
We have the blessings of our late president and scientist, Dr. APJ Kalam. He was very, very instrumental, helpful in setting up our organization when the country was dependent on imports of these cardiac devices. So we have the blessings of the big man.